Adding appointment notes and alerts. Adding notes for client appointments in Shortcuts Live is another way of gathering important information and creating a complete picture of the client's interactions with your business. In this lesson, you'll learn how to add an appointment note to a client booking and add an alert to a client booking. From the appointment book, navigate to the client's appointment. Double-click on the appointment, then click the pencil next to Appointment Notes in the Notes section. Add any notes relevant to the upcoming appointment. If your client has replied to a confirmation SMS with a reply other than the accepted reply phrases you have set, their response will also be shown here. Click the tick next to the text field when you have entered your notes. You can also add an alert for the client from this panel in the same way that you have just added an appointment note. Click Done to save. In this lesson, you've learned how to add an appointment note to a client booking and add an alert to a client booking.